Jai Hind to all. Today is a which date? 23 April 2020. And which day is there? Thursday, right? So today, first standard English medium maths we are going to study, right? We had already started chapter number 1. So now we are going to study part 3, right? Today we'll study part number 3. So today what you have to study? You have to study different shapes, right? Such as triangle, circle, oval, etc. Right? So first you need to understand hard words. So first I will explain you some hard words. Okay? Okay, fine. Hard words. How to read this? H-A-R-D, hard, W-O-R-D-S, words, hard words. So, first you have to understood what is the spelling of shape. See here, S-H-A-P-E, shape. How to read this? S-H-A-P-E, shape. Second, Triangle, triangle. How to read this? Triangle, triangle. Third one, Circle, circle. How to read this? Circle, circle. Fourth one, Square, square. How to read this? Square, square. Fifth one, rectangle, 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 rectangle. Next, oval, oval. How to read this? oval, oval. Then match, match, match. Then each, each, each. These are the hard words, means new words for you. Now we'll study shapes. In this chapter you have to study total 5 shapes. How many shapes total? 5 shapes. So first I will draw the name of shape and then after I will draw the shape. So you can easily understand that this is called triangle, circle, square, whatever. Okay. So first we'll study triangle. So what is the spelling of triangle? Students, all shapes name you must have to by heart. Okay. So Triangle, triangle. So now I will draw here triangle. Okay. See, which shape is this? Triangle. And how to read this? Triangle, triangle. Okay. Now next is rectangle. How to read this? rectangle, rectangle. Now I will draw here one rectangle. See how to draw rectangle. See here how I am drawing. Okay, this is called rectangle. rectangle, rectangle. Next, now I will draw square. What is the spelling of square? S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Now I will draw here one square. See, which shape is this? Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Next, next shape is oval, oval. Now I will draw here oval. Okay, which shape is this? Oval. How to read the spelling? oval, oval. Now I will draw next circle. circle, circle. Have you seen your mother's bangle? Right? Mother's bangle shape is how? Square is this, right? So you can draw circle with the use of your mother's bangle, right? Same I have drawn, right? So which shape is this? Circle, right? How to read this? circle, circle. Now see, circle shape, right? Same as like your mother's bangle, right? Okay, how many shapes we have studied? Total 5. See, first one is triangle, triangle. See, this is called triangle. Then what? Rectangle. rectangle, rectangle. Which shape is this? Rectangle, right? Then next is square, square. Which shape is this? Square. Okay. Next, oval, right? oval, oval. Then same as your mother's bangle, right? Shape which? Circle, right? circle, circle. So total five shapes we have studied, right? Now I will show you 5 shapes with color. Okay, look at here. See, right? Which shape? square, square. Then rectangle, rectangle. Then circle, circle. Then which shape? triangle, triangle. Then oval, oval. Now we have studied all shapes. So now we'll study one exercise. Okay, match each board with the shape, right? So here you have to match this all board with their same shapes. Okay, see first shape. This shape look like a triangle, right? So we have to find out from over this side that where is the triangle? Where is the triangle? Yeah, second one, right? So now we'll match with triangle. Now see, no one, right? No one board is there, but shape is like circle, right? So where is the circle? First, so match. Next, here girl has taken one board. On board written Saturday. So Saturday board shape is which? Rectangle. So where is the rectangle? Here, last one, right? So match. And last one is here square. So where is the square? So match with square. Okay. Everyone understood all shapes? Okay. Fine. Now we'll study count and write. So here what we'll do? First you have to read the heading. Okay. Count and write. Now what I am going to do? I will draw here one picture. And in this picture, how many triangle, how many circle, how many oval, how many square I have drawn, that we will count. Okay. Okay, so now I am going to draw one picture. See here. Okay, now I will draw different shapes here, that you have to see. Okay, fine. How many circles, how many ovals I am drawing, that you have to see. Now I will draw here one triangle. See, this is the picture, right? In this picture, how many circles I have drawn, how many square, that we will count. Now I will draw here one triangle, square, that we are going to count. So we'll write here in the box that how many triangles, how many circles I have drawn, right? That square and oval. Okay, fine. So first is triangle. Now see in this figure or in this picture, how many triangle? Yes, only one, right? Any other triangle you can see? No, right? So one triangle. Then circle. In this picture, how many circles are there? That you can count easily, right? 1, 2 and 3. Then rectangle, how many? See, here one big rectangle, then second one and third. So total three rectangles, right? Then square, how many? Here only one square, right? So one. Now last one, oval. How many oval? Only and only one oval, right? You can see here oval is there, right? So one. Fine. Count and write means how in this picture different shapes are there. That how many shapes? Suppose triangle. So one. So you have to count it and you have to write it here. Suppose I will tell you that fill the color in this picture. But for each shape different color, right? So what you will do? Suppose triangle 1. So whichever color you like you can fill. So in triangle suppose you like yellow color. So you can fill in triangle yellow color. Suppose in circle you want to fill red color. So you can fill red color in circle. But in all circle you have to fill. And for different shape you have to fill different color. So same color you cannot take second time, right? Suppose you have filled in circle red color. So you cannot take in for rectangle also red color, right? So you have to take another color. Means count and write. Understood? Okay, fine. Okay, so today what we have studied? Today we have studied total 5 shapes, right? Which are triangle, circle, square, rectangle and oval. So what you have to do, students, at home, this all 5 shapes spellings you have to by heart and you have to understand that how to draw it. Okay, so that this is the circle, this is the square. Okay, means you have to by heart this all 5 spellings. Okay, thank you.